There are three important elements in music. One is sound, one is silence, and another is rhythm that can create a sort of balance between silence and sound. So imagine yourself as a piece of music. There is an extroverted and active part of you, the male energy, that you can compare to sounds. And there is a more introverted and passive side, the female energy, that you can equate to silence. You can easily understand that if there is only silence in your life, can be quite boring. And if there is only sound, there might be excitement for a few moments, but it will soon turn into exhaustion. This process is about finding a balance, a healthier rhythm between these two poles, your male and female energy. Guided meditations, music, dance, and the Star Sapphire process will help you to look deeply at the patterns of the inner polarity. These patterns give you a model which is reflected in your relationship, in your work and creativity, and in your path of individual growth. With a new balance, it will be easier to access your creativity and to explore the next steps for yourself. See you soon.